Music, fashion, inspiration, creativity. Elevating your dreams to a lifestyle and beyond just an activity.
We're going home to cook this gumbo. I've never cooked before for any channel or any recipes, but just know that I am chopping this, probably not pre-chopping this, because I want to give you a sense of how I prepare the gumbo. But when I'm doing it, when I'm cooking it without a camera, I pre-chop all of my vegetables so that it just goes faster. You let the gumbo cook once you've added all the ingredients. Let it slow cook for 35 to 45 minutes on low. And it's important that you prepare the gumbo for the day you want to eat it, because it marries when it has a chance to sit overnight and it just tastes better. You can add Tabasco, you can add your rice to it the next day if you pre-cook it and warm it up. That way it soaks up a lot of the flavor into the rice. You don't have to do that. You can do it as you wish. But sometimes I cook it, then I add the rice to the pot. Sometimes I cook the rice separately and just add it to the bowl. So we're going to start by adding some oil to the pan. Let me know what you think, if you enjoyed the recipe, if you may have tried gumbo, if you've made gumbo, you should give it a try. It's a very easy process. You just add as you go. There's no royal science to it. As I'm making my way home to do my homework to edit this so I can get it to you today, because it's important that I get this to you. So hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let me know if you enjoy this recipe. I do have a lobster recipe that I've already done with sweet potatoes, so I will put that up next week. All right, have a good one.